this was an idea I posted in my last video, gold, and we had a buy signal down here. So I'm just waiting now for another buy signal. This is part of my monster trade. Just quickly go out and show you what this is about, and then we're going to look for another entry point. You just keep buying and close 50% and hang on to the other 50%. You can just take these buy signals. Well, this is on the daily chart. Go down to the 30-minute and there'll be a lot more buy signals. When it pulls back, you're going to lose these, but you're closing 50% every time you open a new trade. So, I mean, just get your head around what that's worth. That's 165 R for half of the position that I opened, and there, you know, okay, some of my guys have been following me for a while and they're still in these trades. So let's just go down a 30-minute and I'll show you two ways how you can get involved with this. One way I prefer over the other. Right? So you can set up this trend momentum sync and take the buy signal. Yeah, they're pretty good. They'll get you into these trades. All right, that's one way. So that's that indicator. And now I'm just looking for another opportunity here. And I'll show you this. If you are interested in scalping, this is a 5-minute chart. Let's say you're trading a prop firm, maybe a prop firm futures. Okay, you've got MGC, micro gold futures here. So I'm waiting for, see this cluster of red? I'm waiting for the breakout of this cluster of red here. You got red down the bottom here and here. That's it. Wow. And these lines, we want the break above that as well. The combination of those two will get me into this trade. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is scalping. Replay. Let's just chuck it on here. Show you what it looks like. Okay. See that green signal? That's the cluster of red I'm talking about. Okay, we break above it and we get the green signal. We buy long, stop under, just speed it up. 5, go. All right, it pulls back. Okay, hold it there. Whoa, that went a bit quick, didn't it? You've got these alerts. Let's have a look at the chart now. Breakout here, breakout here. You could get long here again. Play it. Long here again on these signals. So they're firing all through there. It's VWAP, so they're going to flash on and off. That doesn't matter. Okay, take those. Buy. Close 50% of the previous. Move your stop loss up. Next signal, buy. Actually, see this white line? You would wait until the price is above that. Hold it, and buy. Right above this white line here. Okay. Oops, that's the wrong one, isn't it? And you want to close 50% of these other ones and hold the remaining position. So this is in profit. You've got a huge buffer. There's zero risk. So if it comes back against you, it doesn't matter. See the break above this red? You want to be breaking above the red and all this clustered under here. It's as easy as that, guys. Look, wait for the signal. Oh, we had another one there. I missed it. Just keep going. Anyway, that's today. Yeah, there's another one there. Take that. Stop under. And all of this, okay, that's how you can build your monster trade. Now, this is just day trading, 5-minute chart. Can you do the same, exactly the same on a 30-minute or 1 hour? Just follow the exact same thing. Now I'm waiting for the pullback. Let's just play it. Well, actually, we'll delete and get out of here. And see the white lines? I'm waiting for, and the red POC here. I'm waiting for this now. I've got alerts set ready. So if that pushes up and breaks through here, that's another buy. You can try these completely free for 7 days. And it's only $29.95 a month after that. That's going to go up shortly. So snap it up, guys. And I do regular mentorship videos on it. Okay, the links are on my website. And this will get you going if you're trading a prop firm. You know, futures, perfect. Free trial, look at this. You only need the silver level to try the indicators. And that's free, and then it's only that for now. All right, with that, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.